Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Amazon Basics 73-piece magnetic ratcheting wrench and electronics precision screwdriver set. If you're into DIY projects or simply love tinkering with electronics, this might just be the perfect addition to your toolkit. Stick around as we explore why this set is considered one of the best ratcheting wrench sets available in the market today. Let's kick things off with what makes this set stand out. Packed neatly in a sturdy plastic case, the Amazon Basics 73-piece set offers versatility like no other. It combines the functionality of a ratcheting wrench with precision screwdriver bits, catering to both heavy-duty tasks and delicate electronic repairs. What really impressed us is the quality of construction. Made from chrome vanadium steel, these tools are built to last. They're heat-treated for durability and come with a corrosion-resistant finish, ensuring they can handle tough jobs without compromising on performance. With 3 driver settings, clockwise, counterclockwise ratcheting, and fixed, this set adapts to various tightening and loosening needs. Ideal for delicate tasks on electronics such as smartphones, watches, and more, these bits ensure you get the job done without damaging sensitive components. The non-slip handles provide a secure grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Let's see it in action. Whether you're fixing a loose screw on your kitchen appliances or adjusting bolts on your car, the Amazon Basics set handles it all effortlessly. The ratcheting mechanism allows for smooth operation, while the magnetic tips ensure you never lose a screw again. So, whether you're upgrading your toolkit or looking for a gift for someone who loves tinkering, the Amazon Basics 73-piece set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the description for more details and where to buy. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your everyday needs. Stay tuned for more reviews, and remember, good tools make all the difference.